everyone, welcome back to my channel So Little Time, and my name is Karen. So today I have another unboxing video for you for the Think Pink Sewscription Box, and it's box number 4, which I have here. It's been delivered today, and my lovely postman, he's so good. I was literally walking up the hill coming home from my run this morning, and he said, "Oh, I've got a package for you. Is anybody in?" And I said, "No, there's not." So he said, "Oh, I'll come back and I'll make sure I give you this." So I was so happy that he delivered this to me and I didn't have to go and get it from the post office because they've closed our local one, so I would have had to have gone quite far to go and get it. So yeah, that was really nice. So I haven't opened it as yet. It's been sat here staring at me all day, so I thought I would do a complete blind unboxing with you so that you can see my, reaction to this box. So yeah, as you can see, it is completely sealed. I haven't touched this at all. However, what I will say is when I opened up the pink wrapper that was on this, I got this lovely waft of smell. Smells really, really lovely. So inside there must be something that's very smelly in there, nice smelling. And I said to my boys, "Oh, can you smell that?" And they each had a smell, and Thomas said, "Oh, I think it's another cookie." And I said, "No, I don't think it's a cookie because it's too sort of florally fragrant for that." And then I think, I can't remember what the other two boys said that they thought it might be now. But yeah, I'm going to open it anyway, so let's get on with that. I've got my scissors here to cut this lovely label. Oh, let's see if I can get it. So before I could just continue, I will just say what I'm wearing. So it's actually day 30th of May of Me Made May. So I've managed to wear a different Me Made garment every single day, bar one when I just had my running gear on for the whole day. So that was actually on Saturday. So today I'm wearing my Tilly and the Buttons pearl cardigan, which I showed you in my last makes video, and I've got it on with my So Dainty button necklace and just a ready to wear sort of vest top underneath. And I've also got it on with my my Joan trousers as well. So yeah, really feeling quite bright and floral today. So anyway, I've got that open, so I'm going to have a look what's inside, so excuse the rustling. So as usual, you've got your lovely welcome note inside there, just letting you know that what type of fabric's in there, and also there's a QR code that you can scan as well, where Andrea talks to you all about the fabric that is in the box and what you could do with it. This is Harry. What are you doing up?
I've got to see what's in the box.
You want to see what's in the box? See, Harry's just as interested to see what's in the box as well. Okay, so you're going to stay here and have a look. So if anybody doesn't know, this is my eldest son, Harry. Right, should we have a look then? Don't give it away, will you? Oh, I can see a sneak peek. Wow, that looks absolutely beautiful. Okay, so excuse the rustling a second. Okay, so wait a minute. Think Pink Sewscription Box number
4.
Yeah, and there's a sneak peek of the fabric. Oh wow, there's quite a lot of things to read on the back here, so I perhaps won't read it all out to you. But it's basically, in my sewing room, thou shall not ask when it will be finished. I will read them out actually. Cut anything with my fabric scissors. Yes, I have caught people in the past trying to use my fabric scissors for cutting things that is not fabric. Request that I hem your pants. Speak to me when I have a seam ripper in my hand. Tell me I have too much fabric. Oh, I do hear that on numerous occasions in this household, don't I? Have I got too much fabric?
No.
No? Oh, thank you. Push buttons on my sewing machine and bring me your clothes to iron. Pull on any loose threads. Wonder aloud why I'm still in my pyjamas. Come looking for food. This is not the kitchen. That's so good. Love that. So what do you think we should open first? What do you think? This one? I think this is the one that smells. Do you want to smell it?
Yeah, it is.
So we've got a box here. It says Soapy Lou's Soapery. And then there's some scrawls right in here. Now, I can't read that very well. Can you read that?
No. It says and at the end.
And, yeah. Something and tea tree. I can't read the other bit. Handmade in Donegal, Ireland. I know that's in Ireland. I don't know if I've actually pronounced that correctly. So we'll just take off this little label. Do you like a little label? There you go. Handmade with love.
You can have it.
Thanks.
Oh, I know.
Thank you. Oh, I don't want to break this, but I am. I'm going to have to rip it open. Oh, look at that. Lovely soap. Oh, that's nice. That's gorgeous. A lovely moon-shaped soap. Really like that. That's lovely. It smells so nice, doesn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Right, okay,
Very
so
strong.
now what's next? Should we open this one?
Yes.
Okay, so a bit more rustling, sorry. the lovely pink bag, which I've managed to not rip, which is good, so I'll reuse that. Oh, some bias tape. That's lovely. Really nice gingham bias tape. So we've got a red one and a blue colourway. That's really nice. I always use that. I actually use bias tape for hemming some of my clothes because it keeps length and stuff. So then we've got a colourway of thread here, which is coming up a bit darker on screen, but it's in between sort of a navy and a royal blue. That's looking quite navy on screen, but it is in between. And then we've got these lovely cotton patches here, if you can see that. So I'm wondering if you can iron them on or probably sew them on. Yeah, they're lovely, they are. Really like those. They will look amazing on like a dungaree dress on the pocket, or perhaps a pair of dungarees, which I am planning to make later this year. And then I've got this gorgeous fabric. Oh, look at that. Absolutely stunning. So it's like a little bit like an embroidered cotton. So I don't know if you would call that embroidery anglais, because I don't think it's got holes in it. So I'd say it's just an embroidered cotton, but that's absolutely beautiful. Now the weight of this is very much like a chambray type of weight. So it's quite lightweight, but it's opaque. You know, you can't see your hand through that. And yeah, it will certainly make an absolutely beautiful dress or something. I'm not too sure what I'm going to make yet. That's another one I'll have to get my thinking cap on for, but absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much, Andrea and Keris, again for letting me have this box. I'm so appreciative of receiving this. It's been so lovely to receive it. So I now need to get in with the rest of the people for the scrum of getting a box you know, on a monthly basis. So thank you so much. Absolutely beautiful. So if you have any suggestions of any patterns that you think I could use to make with something with this fabric, please do pop it in the comments section below. I'd love to hear from you. Yeah, I'm so pleased with that. So I'm going to pop it all back in the box to keep it all safe together, and then I can take it out when I am ready to start a project with it. So this soap, I'm going to put that on my sink straight away, because I've just got a boring old Aldi one at the minute. So it's nice to have one. I did have a really nice lavender one at Christmas actually, which my sister-in-law bought me from her local farm, and it was made with I think it was the lamb's milk or something like that, goat's milk. Oh, I'm not sure, some kind of milk anyway, but that was really nice. So yeah, that's really beautiful. Thank you so much. So that was just my really quick video of unboxing this lovely gift. I hope you like it, and I hope you have managed to get yourself a package for yourself as well. Anyway, so thank you very much for watching today. Please do take care, and I shall see you again very soon. Bye.